So good day everyone. So we are the group 3 and we are going to tackle about the supply chain management and service industry. So here are the members. So I am Gregor Gabriel D. Feliciano and together with me are John Michael V. Patubo, Andrew P. Soto, Justin J. V. Tuazon, and Nino A. Calito. And for the first topic, to formally start our topic, let me call Mr. Nino Calino.
Thank you, Mr. Pelashano. So, before we start the topic, let's first define the customer service. Next po. So, customer service is the support and assistance a company provides to its customers before, during, and after they purchase or use a product or service. So, customer service, this refers to the support, assistance, and overall care that a company provide to its customers before, during, and after they purchase or use a product or service. It includes answering customer questions, uh, offering guidance, and resolving complaints, and ensuring a pleasant, efficient buying experience. So next po. So let's define din po yung supply chain. Customer service in its supply chain. So in supply chain context, customer service refers to all the activities and processes a company uses to ensure that customers receive the right products in the right condition and at the right place at the right time and the right cost. So within supply chain customer service take on more operational and service oriented role. It involves coordinating various activities to uh, ensure that customers receive their product according to their expectation. This include ensuring a next po, order accuracy or right product, making sure the correct items are delivered. The second is on-time delivery, ensuring goods arrive at promise promise time or date. Next is product availability, having the right stock levels to meet demand. Or um, uh, goods are damaged and meet quality standards. Next po, responsiveness, addressing customers' inquiries, complaints, or changes quickly. Next is flexibility, being able to adjust to customer needs like urgent orders, special packaging, and the last is after sales support, handling returns, replacements, or warranty issues smoothly. So next po. So here's the examples of businesses that have a uh, customer service like in Jollibee, SM Mall or Shopee, and Cebu Pacific Cargo. Next po. Thank you po. For the next reporter po.
So good day everyone. Now let's proceed to the customer satisfaction. So first, let's define what is customer satisfaction is. So when we say customer satisfaction, it refers to how well a company's products or services meet or exceed customers' expectations. So in supply chain and service industry, customer satisfaction is critical because it influences the customer loyalty, operational efficiency, and long-term business success. And under the customer satisfaction, here are the importance. Now, now let's discuss the importance of customer satisfaction. So number one, customer satisfaction influences repeat business. Well, so repeat business is when satisfied customers are more likely to become loyal consumers, making repeat purchases from your company. So customer satisfaction is important because satisfied customers are more likely to return and make repeat purchases. So when customers consistently receive quality products and reliable services, they develop trust in the company. So this trust encourages loyalty, which leads to long-term relationships rather than one-time transaction. So in supply chain management, repeat businesses create stable demand, allowing companies to plan for production, inventory, and distribution more effectively. So next is demand forecasting. So tracking client satisfaction levels and learning about their preferences. So customer satisfactions help organizations understand customer preference, buying patterns, and expectation. So by tracking satisfaction levels and feedbacks, company gain valuable data that improve demand forecasting. The next, responsiveness. So customer satisfaction assists in identifying areas for improvement and addressing potential supply chain challenges. So customer satisfaction highlights areas where improvements are needed. So when customers provide feedbacks or express their so when customers provide feedback or express dissatisfactions, businesses can quickly identify problems and take corrective action. So while in supply chain management, this may involve addressing delivery delays, supplier issues, or inventory problems. The next is brand reputation and loyalty. So a happy customer will likely to spread the word about your company, resulting in a better brand reputation and favorable word of mouth referrals. So satisfied customers are more likely to share positive experiences with others. So this creates favorable word of mouth, which enhances the company's brand reputation. So a strong reputation attracts new customers and reinforces trust among existing ones. The next. So the next one is competitive advantage. So customer happiness provides organizations with a competitive advantage. So customer satisfactions give a company an edge over competitors. So when customers feel valued and satisfied, they're less likely to switch competitors. Even if alternatives are available at similar prices or small or less prices. So customer satisfaction help businesses stand out and remain competitive. Then the last one is continuous improvement. So a customer-centric strategy encourages organizations to improve their products, services, and procedures continuously. So customer satisfaction encourages continuous improvement by pushing organizations to regularly evaluate and enhance their products, services, and processes. So customer feedback serves as a guide for innovation and operational upgrades. So in supply chain management, this leads to better coordination, efficiency, and reliability. And continuous improvements ensures long-term relevance, efficiency, and customer trust. And that's all from my report. Now let me call on the next reporter.
So continuation lang po ng customer satisfaction. So question is, how can you improve customer satisfaction through the supply chain? So we have 6 reasons po to improve customer satisfaction. So first is the product quality. So basically guys, when you use good materials, good partners, your products becomes better. Basically, customers are happy when the products works well and it is safe to use. Second is increased product variety. Basically guys, if when we say increased product variety, you need to give your customers more choices. Basically, when you offer different types of products or different kinds of products, people can pick what they want that will satisfy them. Third one is enhance transparency and accountability. So when we say transparency and accountability, you need to tell your customers where your product come from, how do you take care the environment of your product. So by being honest, it helps your customers to build trust your business. Fourth one is shorten delivery time. So how do you shorten delivery time? So the use of technology. So using technology such as mobile phones, electric vehicle, helps to deliver the products faster. Basically, guys, when the customers get their products on time or get their orders on time, they become more satisfied. Fifth one is integrate technology. So using computers, machines makes works faster and easier. So this helps the business to give better service to the customers. And lastly, stock management. So when we say stock management, you need to keep enough products ready in your store. Basically, guys, when the products, I mean, when the customers don't have to wait, they become more happier and satisfied. So yan lang po. So may I call the next presenter, please?
So let's proceed to enablers of supply chain management. Next po.
So for the organizational infrastructure, the meaning of this is how business units and functional areas are organized, how change management programs are led and coordinated within the existing organizational structure. Next, next po. So for the organizational infrastructure, these are the attributes that helps the supply management. So the first one is coherent business strategy aligned across units. So for this, coherent business strategy, meaning the company maintains a clear business strategy that aligns all units towards goal uh, and ensuring everyone's in the same direction. And the second one is standardized process flow methodologies. So for this is formal processes are used to guide supply chain operation for improving efficiency and reducing errors. For the third one, cross-functional teamwork. So for this, team across department collaboratively support supply chain through improvements and share knowledge. So for the fourth one, clear performance metrics. So for this, the key for this is performance and indicators track supply chain for the objectives. In this, helping management measure success and identify areas for further improvement. As for the last one is centralized leadership. A central leadership oversees supply chain to initiate and ensure coordination in each team and consistent decision making. Next, um, so the second enabler is technology. How technology, not just information technology, but also the physical materials management technologies for material design, operations, and materials handling affects a company's operational and strategic supply chain processes. Next po. So for the attributes of technology, first one is physical technology. So for this, the company used advanced manufacture and materials for the management to support the system in supply chain operations. And the second one is R&D for product design. For this, they need to do research and development. It focuses designing products and services to flow efficiently in supply chain. And third one is process R&D. So for this, the production process and optimize to meet the customer demand using techniques like postponement, and also modular manufacturing while keeping inventory low. So for the fourth one is logistics flows. So for this, they do efficient logistics systems na nag-ensure ng products para makapag-move ng smooth sa supply chain links. So for the last one, aftermarket flows. So for this one, it reverse logistics and includes parts and returns management. It handled effectively to maintain service for the quality and sustainability in supply chain management. So for the next reporter, may I call Justine J. Tuazon. Thank you.
So let's define first the strategic alliance. Next po. So basically, strategic alliances are voluntary partnerships between separate companies that join forces by sharing resources, skills, or strengths to go after common goals, like breaking into new markets, creating products, or working more efficiently. But importantly, each business keeps its own ownership and control over its main operations while collaborating towards shared strategic aims. Next. So there are attributes is first, clearly stated expectation. Everyone must know exactly what expected of them so there's no confusion down the line. Second is collaboration on supply chain design and product service strategies. Partners work together to plan how to move goods, create products, or deliver services better. Third and last, top management regular basis interface. So leaders from each organization meet often to keep things on track and aligned. Next slide. So the human resource management, it is a strategic and organized approach to managing people within an organization. So the goal of human resource is to help the business gain a competitive edge by aligning employee performance and development with the company's strategic objectives. So based on my experience on my first part-time job, the human resource management, they are the one who is responsible to find or interview freshers, orient and train new employers and until we get their first salary. So that's all for my part.